Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we'll have an exposure to the normal vector. So if phi of x comma y comma z represents equation of a surface, then vector del phi is a vector normal to the surface. Okay, so it simply means that if this is nothing but a gradient of a scalar field, so that is represented by phi. So if gradient of a scalar field of x comma y comma z, if this represents the equation of a surface, then this is going to be the vector normal to the surface. Okay, and unit normal vector is represented as vector del phi divided by magnitude of vector del phi. All right, so this arrow mark is nothing but the representation of a vector. So based on this, we will simplify the upcoming problems in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.